Let's make an extreme candy cane face mask. I'm going to combine every type of candy cane in the world to make this face mask. Skittles, let's get smashing. Taste the rainbow. Lemonhead, sweet and sour. Smash, smash, smash. Now and later, green apple. Pizza, tasty. Sweetest fish, yummy. Guess what color the face mask will be? Pixie stick, filled with candy powder. Smarties, every flavor.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Hot cocoa, cozy. Spree, smash, smash, smash. Funfetti, vanilla cake with sprinkles. Shiitake mushroom, yikes. Jelly bean, very cherry. Watermelon. Blueberry. Oreo, double stuffed. Hawaiian punch, fruit juicy red. Lemon berry squeeze. Polar blast. Pho, fun fact, pho is actually my favorite soup.
Good soup.
Airheads, cherry. White mystery. Blue raspberry. Red Hots, cinnamon. Kool-Aid, grape. Cherry. Tropical punch. Hot dog, not gonna lie, these flavors keep getting weirder and weirder. Starburst, green apple. Lemon. Strawberry. Blueberry, yummy. Cold Stone, strawberry blonde. Mint chocolate chip, smash, smash, smash. Birthday cake. Ketchup, this will go nicely on top of the hot dog. Soda, 7-Up. Dr. Pepper. Root beer. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, cherry. Jolly Rancher, mixed berry. Watermelon. Strawberry. Pickles, this is a nice side dish to go with the hot dog. Trolley, cherry lemon. Orange lime. Strawberry grape. Wintergreen, minty fresh. Sour Patch Kids, orange. Cherry. Lime. Bacon, this one smells a little weird. Dum Dum, watermelon. Blue raspberry. Cherry, smash, smash, smash. Hershey, chocolate mint. Lifesavers, pineapple. Watermelon. Wild cherry. Sour cream and onion. This smells just like the Lay's sour cream and onion chips. Cherry, I like cherries. SpongeBob Krabby Patty, watermelon. Green apple. Orange. Cherry. Grape. Blue raspberry. Sardine. Who makes these candy cane flavors? This one smells absolutely horrible. Juicy Drop, strawberry kiwi. Knockout Punch. Sour Warheads, green apple. Blue raspberry. Black cherry. Kale, nice. Finally a healthy candy cane. Baby Bottle Pop, berry blast. Strawberry. Nerds, grape strawberry. Watermelon cherry. Tropical Punch raspberry. Hamdy Canes. Ham flavored candy canes should not exist. Sweet Tarts, green apple. Cherry. Blue Punch. Classic peppermint. Now let's add everything to the mixing bowl. In goes the water. Let's top this off with some super rare candy cane flavored Pop Rocks. Listen to the Pop Rocks. It sounds so satisfying. Mix it up. Bubbles. Suck it up. Let's get the machine going. Inject our candy canes. Peptide. Turn it on and dispense. Now we just wait a few minutes and I'll be right back to try it on. Let's go. Subscribe and comment what face mask I should make next.